how to allow or deny manage media permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this three dot icon and click on Special Access. After click on Special Access, you will see Manage Media is here. Click on Manage Media, and if you will see app list is here. If you want to deny Manage Media permission, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Manage Media permission is denied. If you want to allow Manage Media permission, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Manage Media permission is allowed. You will allow or deny Manage Media permission from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow or deny manage media permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.